Hello. Today we will discuss how to add a student from your waitlist by using Student Add Authorization in the SelfService platform. To begin, go to the college homepage and in the upper left, select Faculty and Staff. From there, go to the navigation menu and choose Login to SelfService. It may ask you to log in, and from the welcome screen, you may need to select the Faculty button to bring you to your course overview. For the purpose of this video, we'll use a test course, and you can see that the courses are separated by semester, so you can scroll through and select the course you're interested in. This brings you to the Section Details page, and on this page, you want to choose the Waitlist tab, which brings you to the Waitlist View. The active waitlist displays current waitlisted students. Depending on your waitlist, you might also have a non-active waitlist view below this, which displays students who have been removed from the waitlist by either enrolling in the course or dropping from the waitlist. To expand or collapse these views, select the arrows. In addition, you can sort the ranks of the students by using the arrows in the rank column. So to grant an add authorization via the waitlist, you can give students permission to register by simply clicking on the Add button, then selecting OK, and notice there is a notification in the upper right that lets you know the add authorization was granted. You can view the permissions you've granted by going to the Faculty Permissions tab and selecting the Add Authorization option. Here you can give add authorization to a student who is not on your waitlist by entering their student name or ID using the Lookup function. Once you've found their information, you can select it and add the student to the course as well. Again, you'll see the notification in the upper right. Then, if you like, you can return to Add Authorization by selecting the Back to Faculty Permissions tab, then Add Authorization, which brings you back to Faculty Permissions. On this screen, you can also revoke student access from the status column. So if you choose to revoke a student that you've added to the class, simply click on the Revoke link, and that will delete the student from the course. Once you've successfully given add authorization to a student, note that you will not see the student in your roster. This is because, though you have granted access, the student still needs to register in the course. So at this point, you may want to email and let the student know they have received add authorization so they can register through the SelfService platform. I hope this helps you and have fun adding students.